Good morning, Glenny Doge here with another market update. Happy holidays, happy Sunday. Hope you're doing well out there. If you could hit that like button and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. On my way to trying to build a following here. Hopefully you guys like the content. If there's any way I can improve it, feel free to leave a comment. Let me know how you feel. It might be a mistake to tell people to do that, but hey. All right, so I got the Doge chart pulled up here on the daily. It's been quite a ride here. What a roller coaster. I mean, we went all the way down here. Who would have guessed it? Who would have guessed it? I mean, when I was looking at the fib levels, there's one at 39 cents. I don't know which one it is. I'd have to look. Well, let's pull it up here, right? That's what this video is about, is trying to show you things. So let me not be lazy, and let me pull up our retracement levels for Dogecoin. All right, so they are right here. This is from the 2021 run. We topped up here. It was like 48 cents. I thought, okay, yeah, it'd be totally normal to fall down to the 0.5 and hopefully find support there. So I bought, around 40 cents. I was like, no way we fall below 39 cents, right? And then we fall all the way below the 382 down to like 26 cents. I mean, we were right here in this range. So I'm glad this didn't get tested, because if the 236 would have got tested as support, it could have really opened up a can of worms for us. So anyways, we're glad that that crash is over. I know I am. Let's go back to let's go with the 15-minute chart. Really see a live view of what's going on here. All right. Love having a scale like that. Bear with me. I'm using my phone here and not on a computer like most YouTubers with the mouse and all the fancy stuff that they do. I don't have a computer. I don't have a setup, so I figured, hey, I'll do it on my phone. Maybe someone will like it. Hopefully it'll help give some, not advice, but, a little bit of an idea of, another perspective. I always like other perspectives from other people in crypto, because there's so many different opinions, perspectives. You got the perma bears, the perma bulls. You got people who are bullish at the time and bearish at the time. It's crazy. So it's nice to get on and watch someone talk just about what they think, whether you agree with it or not. To have another perspective can be helpful. So, all right. So here's the 15-minute chart, and it looks good. Looking really good. So we climbed out of this hole here. This was just around midnight, and we have been since climbing up. Now you can see the stock RSI is getting to be at the bottom of its range, which is a good thing, because hopefully we can push up. There's plenty of room to push up on the stock RSI. Now let's check out the MACD. I'm just gonna full screen it, make it a little bit easier to see. All right, so that's not necessarily a good sign. We just made a bearish cross under, I should say, right here just moments ago. Now this is only the 15-minute chart, so it's not an end-all be-all, but that could definitely mean decline in the short term. But I think overall, and all we got to really do to see this is to go to the 4-hour. We're still well below this zero line, and it's like a magnet. It's going to want to pull us up, and you can see we're on our way, and we haven't crossed under the orange on the 4-hour. So I like the 4-hour for the big picture. But this looks good. we just need to keep grinding away, keep that momentum going, and as long as Ethereum holds up here, uh, I think we'll be all right. And you can see it's starting to make its way back up and recover from the horrible crash that we had to go through. All right, so let's just go to the hourly, and we'll get out of here. We'll full screen this. So the hourly, looking like it wants to consolidate, at least for now. That's not necessarily a bad thing. It shows it has enough strength and can hold these support levels. But this isn't a bad sign. This isn't a bad look. But it's definitely consolidating a bit, chopping around a bit. No big moves to the upside, that's for sure. We were moving. We're starting to move yesterday. Friday, we made good move up. I mean, that's beautiful. Came right back down a little bit. It's chopping around here. I think it's only a matter of time until the next leg up of this market cycle, and we see huge gains for altcoins, and hopefully altcoin season that I've been waiting forever for. But the Bitcoin dominance, it just keeps wanting to climb up. So we really need it to fall, and it's looking like it may do that. It's breaking down right here. So all we can do is watch, wait, and hope. Take a look at Bitcoin. We just need Bitcoin to hold. We don't need it to move way up. It just can't move down. We need it to hold, and we need it to stay strong. Any weakness in Bitcoin and any decline in Bitcoin will decline the whole market. So we just need it to hold around 100,000, I would say, and that will give alts the chance to hold on to any momentum they may have. So it's just a waiting game. It's just a waiting game, but it can't be much longer. And now the question is, do we get this Santa rally? Do we get the Santa rally? We are days away from Christmas. Do we get the Santa rally? I don't know. Maybe it's after Christmas. Who knows? But we will get a large move up and the next leg up of the cycle. This is not the end. It is not over. New all-time highs have not been reached, and that is a telltale sign for me that it's not over, because in order for a cycle to complete, and you can have crashes in between, but those all-time highs need to be reached before the cycle is really complete. But anyways, we're just kind of trying to wait it out here. Things are looking like we might be all right. Things are looking like we might be all right. So, scroll back into Ethereum. So Ethereum. I just don't like Ethereum. I just don't like it. I don't like it. Every time I'm counting on it to do something, it doesn't. And it's a huge letdown. Ethereum is a huge letdown, in my opinion. And it'll be overtaken as the number 2 spot soon. Maybe this cycle, maybe not. But I think at some point it will be overtaken. It's just not. I mean, look at it. It's $3,300 still this far into the cycle. And Bitcoin rose how much? Other alts rose how much, and Ethereum is just lagging. And hopefully we can move without it. Hopefully the other alts say, hey, and that's what it's looking like today. As long as Ethereum and Bitcoin sort of hold, then I think there's hope. And I know that investors want to see the other alts go up and meme coins go up. And you could see WIF is up almost 5%. Today, Solana up almost 3%. You know, things are looking good and Bitcoin is holding. We just need it to hold. So I'm really waiting on this alt season. Well, all right. I think I've blabbered on long enough, so I will see you on the next video. Thanks for tuning in. None of what I said in this video is financial advice by any means. I am not a financial advisor. This is just in my opinion. You always have to do what's best for you, make your own decisions.